Hi, hello everyone. Greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamala and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about foreign key constraint. So what is a foreign key? A foreign key is a field in which one table that refers to a primary key of other table, and it makes a relationship between a two table. I can give example like a food delivery app. So whenever you first time you install the app, the food delivery app will collect all your details that will be stored in one table. So whenever you order, next time order a food, that person ID will act as a foreign key and refer to the other table as primary key. Let's go to the SQL and verify that. So I already made a tutorial for a primary key. Let's see what is there in this table. So person ID is a primary key here. Let's create a foreign key table. Create table. We'll create orders. We'll create as serial number int primary key comma person ID int foreign key references. We need to give the table name after this, to which column it refers. It refers to primary key of other table. So let me run this. Invalid syntax. Once again, let me check where is the error. So person ID int. Okay. So command successfully completed. So let me see what is there in this table. Select star from orders. We have one foreign key, serial number, and person ID as a foreign key. Let me insert some values into this. View 4. This is for Pratap. This is for Prasad. This is for Ashok. This is for Srinath. So let me run this. 4 rows has been affected. So let me run this now. See, the person ID here act as a foreign key for the person's table. I hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel. If you want to learn any other technology, please put a comment so that I can verify if any of my friend. Thanks. Bye.